Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable the microphone on your PlayStation 5 controller so people can't hear you when you're in the game. So to quickly do this, all you have to do is press the PlayStation button, go over to microphone, and select your wireless controller, and you can just set this to mute. And another thing you can do is, if you look at the controller when you mute or unmute this, there's going to be a little orange light that appears. You can just press this and it's going to mute or unmute your controller quickly. If you hold it down, this is going to mute all the audio on your PlayStation 5. Now you can even go a step further where you can completely disable this when you log in automatically, so you don't have to come to this section anymore. Just go up to the top, go to settings, scroll on down to sound. Then under microphone, go to the right and go to microphone status when logged in and just set this to mute. And your controller is always going to be muted now, so people won't be able to hear the microphone on it when you log in to start playing. So just come to the section. Now, when you jump into like a party chat or something, you're going to have to press that button on your controller to unmute your microphone, however. But it's going to automatically be muted. Now, there's one more thing I want to show you. If I press the PlayStation button and I go over to sound, there's this option called mute game voice chat. If I turn this on, even if I have my microphone on and it's not muted, people in the game voice chat simply won't hear me. So I won't have a problem with them uh, listening to my conversations because they won't hear it. So check out the setting as well. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.